Hi, Maura Kolb here, president of Dryden Gold. I'm excited to talk to you today about our Phase 4 drill results. I'll remind you that in Phase 1 and 2, we tested the Big Master system, and we specifically tested the controls of mineralization on the high-grade chute that had been historically drilled. We also tested a new high-grade chute that was 400 meters away from that original high-grade chute. We used the information we learned from drilling the historic high-grade chute, the controls on mineralization and the plunge control specifically, to test that theory of another high-grade chute developing 400 meters to the south. In Phase 4, we decided to do a step out down plunge on that same new high-grade structure. And we were successful in intercepting 4 meters at 3.17 grams, including 19.34 grams per ton over 0.65 meters. Pretty exciting to hit on something brand new. When looking at this long section, I see a lot of potential. We have yet to test the chute that's next to the historically delineated high-grade chute. This chute we just tested in Phase 4 really only has a few pierce points and has lots of opportunity, especially closer to surface where we can get more bang for our buck in those drill holes. The previous operator did a lot of selective sampling on the property. This gives us a few problems. It creates areas where we don't really know the grade, and they may have missed high-grade opportunities. We plan to do some relogging of the historic drill holes over the summer. This will give us the opportunity to fill in the gaps, so to speak, on the areas where we don't have data. It'll also give us a better interpretation of this Big Master 2 structure and Big Master 1 structure. We may also have opportunity to find or define new high-grade chutes using this new data. I'm pretty excited to get started on that program. In our 2023-2024 program, we had 3 key objectives: expanding the footprint, which we've successfully done in Phases 1 and as well in Phase 4. We've seen mineralization along strike for 3 kilometers, which is great. A very important part of understanding this complex system is to hone in on the controls of high-grade gold mineralization. So we focused on that in Phase 2 drilling, and we've really been able to capitalize on what we learned there to test new high-grade chutes, and you'll see that success here in Phase 4. In hole 9, we were targeting that new high-grade chute, but in addition to that, because it was a longer hole, we were able to go through a hanging wall structure, Big Master 2, Big Master 1, and a footwall structure. It's great to see this system is branching out. That's very typical of these Archean systems, that you'll have several stacked veins or mineralized zones. The results from Phases 1 through 4 give us some great targets to follow up on. We've defined 3 new high-grade chutes through interpretation and drilling, and we'll be able to follow up on these on their plunge orientation, near surface in some cases. This gives us an excellent start for planning Phase 5 drilling, which we expect to start in June.